grabar.
Ladies and gentlemen, Jungle Island proudly presents Winged Wonders.
Ay, qué lindo.
Vamos a hacer esto para que no se vaya, no se vuele.
Hey, how about a big round of applause for our two Scarlet Macaws. This is Jasper. And above your heads is Athena.
And keep it going for our beautiful blue and gold. This is Beyonce. Hi everyone, my name is Kimberly.
And my name is Ryan. We'd like to welcome you to Winged Wonders here at Jungle Island.
Today we'll be sharing with you some of our favorite feathered birds that fill our skies and landscapes with an elegant beauty, unlike any of nature's creatures. But you guys know there are over 9,000 different species of birds on the planet, and that's just species. So that means there are literally millions of birds all over the world. You can find them flying, swimming, walking, and sometimes even talking, like this guy. Hi! Yeah, but you know, a lot of birds can say hi. Can you say hello? That's better. So then why don't you introduce yourself? What's your name? What's your name? This is Rio, everyone, our Calaveras macaw. Now, macaws are from the South American rainforest, and macaws, or parrots for that matter, are very intelligent and can mimic human speech. But really smart ones like Rio can even impersonate some animals, like a big ferocious dog. Rio, can you bark? Well, that was a pretty ferocious dog, Rio. How about we try that same dog again, but this time with fleas. Rio, can you bark? Don't forget those fleas. Get him, Rio, get him, get him, get him. That was pretty cute, Rudy. But this is a bird show, so let's try something from the bird family. Let's try a rooster. How's that for your morning wake-up call for Rio the rooster? Now, macaws have something known as monocular and binocular vision, which means they focus on two completely different images at the exact same time. For instance, right now, Rio has one eye focused on me, and the other eye is focused on what looks like you in the front row. If I didn't know any better, I'd say Rio was checking you out. Rio, do you think she's pretty? He does. You can take him on a date if you like, but he's a showbird, so have him home for curfew. Rio, what time's your curfew? Midnight, that's right. Speaking of curfews, it's time for us to get going. Everybody say bye, Rio.
Bye.
Rio, say goodbye. And that's Rio, our Calaveras macaw.
Well, now I'd like to introduce everyone to Merlin. Merlin is our African pied crow. Now, the cool thing about the crows is that they are the smartest birds in the world.
Oh, wow.
One of the reasons for that is because they're the only birds that actually use tools. Sometimes in the wild, if there's a big termite nest, if a crow wants to get to the termites, they can take a long stick, put it into the termite nest, pull it out, and start eating the termites from that stick. Now, another sign of their intelligence is that if they have something hard they want to crack open, like a hard nut, they can't crack it in just by using their beak. They can take it with them when they fly really high in the air, let it drop from a high distance, and then when it lands, it'll crack open, and then it can get to the inside. Now, Merlin here, he also wanted to show you guys some of his more athletic ability. He's going to do that for catching a grip. Okay, Merlin, let's get ready for it. Here we go. And check it out, that was a good catch. Well, now Kim is going to bring out another vertebrate all the way from Africa, but let's hear from Merlin, our pied crow.
Como que ha entrenado también.
Yes.
Great job, guys. And this is Martin, our 30-year-old African gray parrot. Hello, hello, hello. You know, Martin's been the chauffeur for just about 30 years, even though he doesn't look like it, yeah? But the most amazing thing about Martin is that he took some time off, he didn't want to do any shows, and he decided to do everything else that was more fun, like traveling and catching all the best movies. But one such movie in particular really caught his attention. It was a little film by the name of Star Wars, because Martin just fell in love with the sound of the laser guns. So he's dedicated the rest of his career to making the world's best laser gun impression, and he's made his grand return to the stage to show you guys what he's been working on. Are you ready, Martin? Are you ready? Laser guns. Let's try that again for some crossfire action. You ready, Martin? Laser guns. Awesome. And like every great the girl, so how about a kiss and a wave, bye-bye. And that's Martin, our African gray.
¡Bravo! ¡Te quiere!